The park is located in the Arbuckle Mountains of south-central Oklahoma. It's a quick and easy family-friendly summer destination for people from Oklahoma and surrounding states. It's located around 2 hours from Dallas, Texas and 1 hour from Oklahoma City. The park is home to Oklahoma's largest waterfall, Turner Falls, located on Honey Creek. With a height of 77 feet, Turner Falls is also one of Oklahoma's tallest waterfalls. The park attracts thousands of visitors every year who enjoy hiking, swimming and camping. The waterfall was named after a Scottish immigrant by the name of Mazeppa Thomas Turner who discovered the falls in 1878. Here is our top things to do in Turner Falls Park. Swim in one of the 2 pools in the park. The falls cascade into a natural swimming pool, where you can swim during summer months. The second pool is called Blue Hole and it's located by the main entrance to the park. If you are planning to swim, make sure to bring water shoes. Some surfaces can be slick and the bottom of the pools is rocky. Kids 12 years old and under are required to wear certified flotation devices, so if you have kids this age, either bring one with you or you will have to buy one there. Hike the trails. The park is over 1,500 acres and there are few hiking trails in the park. If you are planning to hike, make sure to wear a pair of walking shoes. Explore natural caves. There are 3 natural caves in the park that you can explore while hiking. See the Rock Castle. The park features an ancient-looking castle that was constructed based on English architecture with native stone and materials in the early 1930s. Have a picnic. There are many picnic sites in the park with tables and grills. Experience zip line above Turner Falls. You can zip at 1,440 feet above the canyon where Turner Falls is located. The zip line is not typical, it offers comfortable chairs for 2 people. It's a very fun and scary activity. Ride a horse carriage. When we visited the park, there was a horse carriage that you could ride in from the main entrance to the waterfall and back for an extra fee. Stay overnight. There are few options for overnight stay at Turner Falls. First of all, there are 12 cozy cabins with amenities available for rent that include grills, picnic tables, and fire pits. It's recommended to make reservations in advance, because it's a very popular thing to do in the park. Second option includes RV and tent campground areas.
What is your favorite thing to do in Turner Falls Park? Consider subscribing if you like this video. Thanks for watching.